Hey, what is up, y'all? It's your boy G-Man here, and he'll always be here. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight. Hey, yo, what is up, y'all? And welcome back to the channel. It has been a long week, but now I'm here again for a new recreation recipe. Like I promised you guys I would do one last recipe before we wrap this up. Let's begin. Well, for this new recipe, this is called a steak sandwich from The Last of Us Part 2. Now it's real simple to make this recipe. You're going to need steak rolls, and you'll need some steak. First, we'll start by cutting up your vegetables that you want, and I'll be back. Alright, next thing you're going to need, before you cut, make sure you rinse it off. Start by cutting off the top, bottom, and slice this in half. Make sure to get rid of all the seeds. Cut them into finger sizes, like this size. Now, next vegetable you'll need is a chopped onion. This is probably enough. That's a bad part. If you want to saute these vegetables, you can, but I like my vegetables fresh in a sandwich, which tastes more delicious. Alright, time for steak. You could use any kind of steak you like, but I recommend the best thing to use is ribeye. Now we'll add some seasonings. You can season your steak however you want, but first thing we gotta season this with salt. Some freshly ground pepper. And I would like to add some more flavor to it, so I'm going to use onion salt. Sorry. Oh, that's a little too much. Make sure you spread this around and repeat to the other side. And now that you got your seasonings done on both sides, since these sandwich breads are small, I would recommend you slice this in half. Now, after you cut your steak in half, like the upwards, now it's time to grill this. And you can cook this the way you want, but I like it medium well. And I'll catch you later, because I'm gonna cook outside. Be right back. Alright you guys, now you got your steak all cooked up the way you like. Now it's time to cut up the size for these bread. All cut up into, cut it into finger size steak. And now it's time to put everything all together. First you'll add your 1 or 2 or 3 pieces on your steak. And add some vegetables. And get a slice of provolone cheese. Break this into half. Put this on here. Looks good. Be back for the thumbnail. Taste test time. Alright guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up because this is really good. And I'll finish this up as my lunch, then I'll be back to the outro. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for being on this journey throughout this CMP headquarters. I really am gonna miss being in here, doing all the cooking videos for you guys. Yeah, only 48 hours till my farewell concert with the 5th and new song as the encore for the last song. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, Coolman Productions, and my second channel, G-ManHere. And follow all my social medias. Well, that's all. I love you guys. Until next time on CMP. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight.